Grassroots governance or micro-local government units are up for direct assistance and a much fairer share from the national budget. This made possible by the Bagong Pilipinas Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program, in which each community or barangay receives a 200,000 peso endowment, half of which for capital outlay expenses and the other half to finance 5 scholarships of deserving students. Our Kenneth Paciente fills us in with more.
Thousands of Batanggenyos directly benefited from the launch of the Sa Bagong Pilipinas Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The program aims to directly channel the Local Government Support Fund or LGSF to local government units to strengthen their capacity to address the needs of their constituents. Under the program, each of the 1,078 barangays will receive 200,000 pesos in financial assistance. Half of the fund is allocated for capital outlay projects such as the purchase of essential equipment.
Ang local government ay in many ways, pwede mong sabihin, ay napakahalaga para sa buong pamahalaan, sa lokal na pamahalaan at sa pangbansang pamahalaan. Dahil, lagi ko pong sinasabi, kahit napakaganda ng mga programa, ng mga proyekto ng national government, kung hindi po sisipagan, kung hindi po gagawin ng magandang trabaho ng ating mga local government, ang taong bayan wala naman pong mararamdaman.
Salamat sa Presidente. Malaking tulong para sa barangay namin. Sa aming barangay 12, Pagsabrayan.
The other half of the 200,000 pesos per barangay will be allocated for 5 presidential scholars in each barangay, where each student will receive 20,000 pesos in educational assistance.
Malaking bagay dahil hindi magiging sikat ang Pilipinas kung hindi sikat ang ating mga kabataan. At nakikita ko naman na malaki at maganda ang pag-asa ng Pilipinas kapag kayo. Ang mga susunod, kami mga gurang na kami. Kaya kailangan ma-develop na kayo na pagka kami wala na, kailangan nandiyan kayo, handa kayo.
The activity also included the distribution of 10 kilograms of rice to vulnerable sectors. In total, around 235,000 individuals in the province are expected to benefit from the program. The President also assured that the program will continue, and this not just for a photo opportunity. At the same time, Executive Secretary Ralph Recto assured that the program will not only be implemented in Batangas, but across the entire country, regardless of political affiliation.
Asahan po ninyo, hindi ito minsanan. Hindi ito nangyari, ganito, magpo-programa tayo, magpapapicture tayo, tapos wala na, hindi nyo na makikita. Halimbawa, yung pagbigay ng bigas ay kada 2 buwan ay magbibigay ulit ng bigas. So, 6 na beses sa isang taon.
This is not a hometown accommodation. This is not a regional favor. This is a national commitment. Ito ay ginagawa sa buong bansa.
Based on the latest data as of April 16, approximately 15 billion pesos has already been distributed under the LGSF across different parts of the country. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.